Good morning, my dear students. I hope you people are doing well and you must be enjoying the summer carnival week. So now I am again in front of you and today we are going to learn articles in English grammar. As you have already learned about nouns, now we are going to learn more about articles. Articles are special words and they are a and the. They are special words which are used before nouns, and as we already know, nouns are naming words. Now we are going to learn how and when are articles used. So just now I told you there are three articles, a and the. Out of these three articles, a and the, these two, a and, they are called indefinite articles and the is called definite articles. Now let's learn more about a and the. A article is used with consonant sounds. Do you people know different sounds in English alphabets? Yes, or as you all know, in English literature we have 26 letters. And out of 26 letters, 5 are vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are called vowel. So with vowel sounds, we use an. For example, orange. Can you see the word orange starts with O, and O is a vowel sound. So with vowel sound, we always use an orange. The next word is egg. Egg starts with E. Again, E is a vowel sound. So with egg also we will be using an. So with 5 vowel sounds, A, E, I, O, U, we will be using an article. And with other left letters, which are 21 out of 26, 5 are vowel sounds. And with other consonant sounds, we will be using a. For example, teacher. T is not a vowel, it is a consonant sound. So we will be using a teacher. And the next word is book. B is again a consonant sound. So we will be using a with book. Now these two are clear to you? Use of a or an. This you people have already done in class 1. We are just recapitulating the use of a or an. So a is used with a consonant sound and an is used with a vowel sound. And there are 5 vowels as I have already told you. Now let's learn more about the definite article the. This is very important. The is used for the nouns that have already been introduced or the nouns about which we have already talked. Let me give you an example. For example, what is this? A marker. This is a marker. See, when I'm talking about this pen for the first time, I'm using this is a marker, right? But now in the next sentence, if I'm explaining or describing this marker again, so I'll be using definite article the, right? Because I'm explaining or I have already introduced this pen before. Now I'm adding more sentences about it. So I'll be using the. Let me tell you one more time. This is a marker. Now in first sentence, I'm using the article a. Now in the next sentence, I'm saying the marker is pink. In the second sentence, I use the definite article the. The marker is pink. Let me give one more example. This is a pencil box. This is a pencil box. Now I'm going to speak one more sentence about the same pencil box. I have already spoken about the pencil box. So in the next sentence, I'll be using the. The pencil box is new. Yes. So now we have learned about a and the. But you need to keep a few more points about the definite articles. You need to keep these important notes that the is used before the famous buildings, monuments. For example, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, right? And with the newspaper names also, we are supposed to use article the definite article. For example, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, right? Because these are the special names, the definite nouns. and the people of a country, for example, the Indians, the French, right? And with the holy books also we use the, for example, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. So I hope the articles are clear to you. Now let me recall one more time. There are three articles, a and the. A and an, they are indefinite articles, and the is definite article. A is used with consonant sounds and an is used with vowel sounds. And the is used for the nouns that have already been introduced and with the special buildings, monuments, newspaper, or the people of a country and holy books. I hope this grammar part is clear to you people. And see, whenever you are doing your grammar work in the notebook, you need to write the heading neatly in the center, date on the left side, and on the right side you need to mention your classwork or homework. Now I have attached a very interesting video about articles with my video. So you will be watching that video carefully. And now time for an interesting activity. As you all know, summer season is going on and we are learning a lot of things about summer season. And I hope you people are fond of eating ice creams in summer season. So I have made an interesting activity of your favorite thing, that is an ice cream cone. Can you see? So these are the different parts of an ice cream cone. Can you see that? This is an ice cream cone. On that you need to mention the heading articles. And I have cut 3 circles. These are the 3 scoops of the ice creams. On these 3 scoops I have written a and the third definite article, the. And the task is you need to find out the words used with these 3 articles, right? So let me show you. On the first scoop, I have written a ball, cat, book and tables. Now let me put this scoop on the ice cream cone like this, right? The second is an. And with an, I have written the words orange, egg, owl and ice cream. And these are all starting with vowel sound. Last but not the least, the definite article, the famous monument, the Taj Mahal, newspaper, the Hindustan Times and the holy book Ramayana. So I'm putting it here on the top and my article ice cream cone is ready. Can you see? Isn't it interesting? So I want you people to make the same cone but with different words, and you need to mention at least 5 words with each article, a and the. So I'll be waiting for your article ice cream cone. Bye and have a nice day.
Articles a and the. Look at these pictures. This is a flower. The flower is red. This is an orange. We have used a, an and the to point out the nouns flower and orange. These words, that is a, an and the, used to point out nouns are called articles. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant, such as a cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. We use an before a word that begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an otter, an umbrella. Articles a and an are used to introduce a singular noun. Look at the following sentences to learn the use of articles a, an, and the. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. We observe that articles a and an are used to talk about a thing in general. For example, a stall and an umbrella. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time, that is, about a particular thing. In this case, it is the stall. Article the is also used to introduce plural nouns. For example, the bicycles, the erasers, the ostriches, the dolls.